Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my live trade, what I do, my client screenshot of profit, and also the live market analysis. And also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, today is 28th of August and the time is almost 9:07 now. The pre-open market is now running, so it will end in few minutes. So we'll see how the pre-open market is going on in the NSE website. So as you can see, the market is opening today at 0.37% up as of now. That is at 11,601.95. So as of now, the advances are 41 and the declines are 5 and the unchanged stocks are 4. So this is how the pre-offer market is running as of now. So once the pre-offer market is closed, we'll see at what range the Nifty 50 is opening today and on what stocks I can take today. Okay, so I'll be showing you my live trades and everything, so make sure you watch this video till the end to watch all of these things. So we'll have to wait for a few minutes, and once the market opens, I shall decide on what stock I'll trade today. So guys, the pre-open market is now closed and the market is opening at 0.38% up, that is at 11,602.95, and the advances stocks are 44 and the declines are 2 and the unchanged stocks are 0. Okay, so let me just tell you what are the stocks which are opening in the uptrend, that is having a gap up in the pre-open market. That is LT with 1.27% and even Adani Ports with 1.27% and Sun Pharma with 1.0% up in the pre-open itself. And let me tell you the stock which is opening in the downtrend, that is JSW still having like 1.31% down, Indus India Bank with minus 0.97% down, and Hero MotoCorp with 0.72% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market has performed today. So let me wait for a few times and we'll do the live trading and we'll see on what stock I can trade today and what stock I can select today. So the time is almost like 9:15 now, so just in few minutes I'll give you guys an update of what stock I'll be picking. So guys, says right now I've selected Indus India Bank to trade. So I have not yet taken any entry rate or any trade yet in this stock. So in a few minutes I'll take an entry and I'll update you guys whether I'll be buying the stocks or selling the stock of Indus India Bank. But the stock what will be trading today will be on Indus India Bank. So we'll wait for our entry. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. Okay, and before that, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to my stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-weighted trading system, and also as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what I did. So guys, as you can see, the stock jumped very high. Okay, when I was saving few minutes back, it was around 605 or 606, and now it's around 614. I made it 614 something. So as you can see, yes, it's still continuing, and we are on the buy side of Indus India Bank. It is giving a very good movement. So guys, as you can see, it's still continuing to go up. It's almost 626 now. So we almost saw the stock around 605, and now it's like 626. A great move by Indus India Bank, and this is the stock what is selected today. And this was how the movement happened. Just within few minutes of opening, we are able to book this good profit. So guys, as you can see, Indus Bank has made a high of 629.5 as of now, and I've exited near this level, and as you can see, it gave a very good movement. Just in few minutes we were able to book a very good profit in Indus India Bank. Okay, so guys, as you can see now, the Indus India Bank is now trading at 652. Yes, morning we saw it around 605, but now it's almost end of a market now. It's almost 3 p.m. now, and the Indus India Bank has performed very good today, and we were able to book a good profits today. And this was the call what was given to my client also, and this was the profit what we were able to book today, guys. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to start making consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, these are the client feedback and screenshot of profit what they have shared with me. So here is a client screenshot of feedback what he has given to me, so you can read it. So Indus India Bank 1376 rupees profit, 2350 rupees profit, 1376 rupees profit, 5970 rupees profit, and 39,000 rupees profit. So these are the profit what you're able to book today in today's trade of Indus India Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.